Okay, my friends, this is Ian Stewart here at Buildabizonline, and I'd like to welcome you to your members area, especially if you are a brand new member. Now, my job in this video is just to walk you through the members area and the various aspects of it. Okay, so please listen to this video all the way through so that you know the ins and outs of this members area. Also, what I'd like you to do is to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can do that there, or by just clicking on the YouTube logo down in the bottom right hand corner. Okay, if you subscribe, you can also hit that bell, and then you will get notifications every time I add some training or some important news. Okay, so you can do it there as well if you wish. Now then, on the left hand side, I generally do put some news in there, and you can see that we use YouTube for our training videos. Okay, it's a free platform and it works well. You can also just here click on there to see what people think about Buildabizonline. Okay, and then later on, after I've shown you these all the way around the members area, then I'd like you to just follow the simple steps that we may add more steps. There may be steps taken away, but if you follow these steps, then you will know how Buildabizonline works and how it can help you with your existing business online. Okay, now if you are brand new to internet marketing, then the steps will explain everything. If you are a seasoned affiliate marketer already selling or promoting things, the steps will help you. So remember that. Okay, now the buttons at the top, let's just walk you through these. This one here, most important, every time you click this one, it will bring you back to the members area. This one will log you out of your members area. I suggest you do that. When you've finished, log out. Okay. Now, your main links. Now, just here, you can view your profile there. You can alter it. Also, you can add your branding image, and that will be discussed in step one because branding is very important. We've got our frequently asked questions there, and then our legal information is also there. If you wish to upgrade, and there is no pressure to do that, but you will get a lot for your money here at Buildabizonline. You may have seen on the home page where when I first started online and I wanted to do it properly, so I got all the correct tools, and I was having to spend from $50 to $60 per month before I even made any money. Well, here, because of a promise I made to the people that were following me back then and knew me, we don't charge anything near that. It's $10 for all the tools that you will see. So you can use your bank card, you can upgrade using other methods, and you can also pay it forward for somebody as well. And this is where you would terminate your membership. Okay, now then, if you want to, we provide what's called a programs page. Okay, so if you was to click on here, you can add programs to what we call a programs page. Now, let me just show you my programs page. This is what we call a programs page. So you can add up to 20 ads on this page, and you can also, I also show you a video on how to do this as well. Okay, I've only got a few programs on there, but my main focus is on Buildabizonline. That's how I make a full-time living online, promoting Buildabizonline. That's all I do. I've joined one or two other things to promote Buildabizonline in, but my main focus is promoting Buildabizonline. Yours is possibly something else. Okay, so you will be able to add 20 what we call ad space. Is a little faint line there and one there, so that's what we call an ad space. Okay, so that's a great little tool for you if you want to promote all your business on one page. Then you can do that, and that's where you would add those programs onto that page. Okay, or whatever it is you sell. It could be ClickBank Office, it could be, I don't know, affiliate, Amazon products, whatever it is, then you can add it on that page. Now then, when it comes to building your downline here at Buildabizonline, and it is a beneficial thing to do, because if you build a downline, those that are following you in Buildabizonline, you can view them here and you can email them. So you will be building a list. Okay, now your promotional links are just here, and the main ones are just at the top. Okay, this is your main home page. This is the main programs page that I just showed you. This is mine. You will see yours. This is your, if you want to send a page for people to join underneath you, then that is the correct link. And this is a demonstration that you could send to people. What kind of tools does Buildabizonline do? Just send them that. Okay. So, and then there's many other links that you can use. Okay, so this is where you come to build your downline. So your promotional links and banners are there. You've got some pre-written emails that you can use in a responder. And incidentally, here at Buildabizonline, you will get a free bonus autoresponder that works really, really well. As I say, as you bring people in, you can view that downline there. You can email that downline there. We teach you how to love a downline. Okay. We've got top referrals this month, and then any commissions you can withdraw from there. Now the toolbox. This is why a lot of people join us. We have got every single tool that you need to build your existing or start a brand new business online. Now these are the free member tools just down here. Okay, but there are too many tools to mention, so I've said that, so too many to list, so just click here and we take you to a separate page. So if you want that autoresponder, excuse me, I'm getting all tongue-tied, I'm getting all excited, you can register for it there, and then once I've approved it that you are an upgraded member, excuse me, then you'll be able to log into it anytime from there. Okay, you also, if you wish, can have a blog. Okay, and that's quite a good looking blog. If I just click on there, you'll see it just there. Okay, this is a WordPress blog, and you can get one of them free as an upgraded member. Also, we do a small C panel if you need it. There is a bonus surfing tool there called Quick Clicker. And then when we first started, we had a few tools. We had a splash page builder, and that is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. We've also got what's called the 10 banner splash page. Okay, so that's a great thing to set up as well and promote to the people that follow you, or even in traffic exchanges or safe lists and so on. We've got a Cloak, a tracker shrinker just there, and then we've got an tool just there. Now these are our newest tools, and they're mainly to do with autoresponders. Okay, but if you was to log into the autoresponder, let me just go over to mine right now, you will see that those are listed there also. Okay, and these open up in a another window. Okay, so let's go back to the members area. So we've got all sorts, and then there's a lot of image enhancing tools as well, because when people start using our splash page builder and also building capture pages, they like to do snazzy things with images and things like that, adding reflections and water reflections. We've got some free image hosting there for you. There's an image cropping tool, and that does similar to that as well, editor and resizer. We've got some stock photos that people use as backgrounds and things like that. Okay, so that is the toolbox. I'll show you more of our autoresponder in a minute. The training videos are there for the Buildabizonline training. It is there for our autoresponder training. It is just there. Advertising training methods are just there also. Okay, and you can also advertise in to our members. Now, don't forget, our members are all affiliate marketers. They're all trying and looking for methods to make money online. So you can put a text ad in there, you can banner advertising just there, and then we've got some recommended programs. Okay, so let's just go back to the main menu and we'll see that again. So what I'd like you to do in a moment, and this is some of our text advertising down here. Okay, there's not many ads in there at a minute, so it's gone back to the default, but no doubt somebody will start adding them later because it's a brand new little system. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, please follow those. And I did promise I'll show you a little bit about our autoresponder. So what we do, I'll come back over here to the autoresponder, and very, very similar. This is the members home button. You've got your profile. Video tutorials are just there. Okay. And then you've got an HTML editor if you need one there. We also teach you how to build some niche campaigns. These are almost ready built and they are absolutely marvelous. We've got the Buildabiz ad copy, so more letters that you could use within these responders that you set up. The new HTML forms, okay, can be sorted out there, and you can log out just there. Now, this is where you set up your campaigns. This is where you add messages to your campaigns, and incidentally, unlimited campaigns. And this is your subscriber list, unlimited subscribers, and this is where you can mail them or broadcast, as they call it, to the whole of the list. And we've got an inline form generator. So if you want to smarten up your forms, you know, the little opt-in forms, you can use that. We've got a two-step form generator. And incidentally, if I click on these, look, there's videos for everything. So you are not going to be disappointed when it comes to the training. We've got a scarcity bar generator. That's a little teaser to say, well, there was 100 positions, but there's only 25 left, or you know, anything like that. We've got we did have 100 ebooks, but now there's only 3 left. So grab it while you can, sort of thing. Video backgrounds. A lot of people love to make video backgrounds for their capture pages. So this is where we do that, and then there's an exit pop-up generator as well. Okay, so you've got everything there. You've got tons and tons of tools, and we teach you how to use them. That's the great thing. So come back to the members area. Don't forget, every now and again, please click on the latest news and also what other people are saying about us, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel that we use for training. So thanks for listening. Bye for now. And just this little note here, we don't want to put any pressure on you or overwhelm you in any shape or form as you're getting started here at Buildabizonline. And as I say, you can promote whatever business you want with our tools. There's no limit. Okay. So there's just 4 simple steps. So if you can follow them now, it'll give you an idea of what you can do with Buildabizonline and promoting your existing business. Okay, so that's my little introduction. If you need me at any time, I want you to contact me just down here. You click on there, fill in a little form, and I'll get an email. But if I am logged into the admin area of this little thing, we can text chat live. Can't say no fairer than that. And if you really get stuck and you want me to show you how to do things, I can make a little video, or we can go into a Zoom training room. Simple as that. So thanks for listening then, and bye for now, and we'll see you in the next video.